In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select about phone, and here locate software information. Now once you see build number, just click on it 7 times and draw your unlock pattern if you have one, because you have to activate developer mode. As you can see, it has been turned on, so now we can go back, and here it appeared. So smoothly open developer options, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice auto system update. So if you would like to apply updates when the phone is restarted, just tap here, and now it is active. So that would be all. This is how you can activate automatic updates in your Samsung Galaxy A21s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.